Hello guys, I just received this sample from Liquid London for our V1 Eau de Parfum. It's a fragrance created in 2023, so I'm so glad that we can smell this together. So this is the packaging for Liquid London for a V1. It's pretty practical. It's a 10 ml travel set, really useful when you travel. So now smell it. Let's smell it. So this is the fragrance, the 10 ml Eau de Parfum. V1 for her, from most of the fragrance from Liquid London contains some pheromone. So it's a molecule which has as a property to help to create attractiveness between partners. So think it's almost Valentine time. Nature is made to help you, but you can have a little help from a friend. So don't hesitate to use this fragrance to help to get some confidence and attract probably your future partner. So the first aspect I get, firstly, it's the fruity and sweet note, not sugary but sweet. So it's fresh on the top, a bit like a bit watermelon, I would say, something really juicy. From the description given by Liquid London, we expect some accord mango and bergamot. So I appreciate this freshness with this juicy fruity note on the top. On the earth, the accord, it's a blend of jasmine, and normally on the website, the Liquid London description, you expect some olibanum. So the olibanum should create a peppery, spicy, incense, really mysterious aspect. For me, currently, I get more the sweetness and the floral jasmine note. Really elegant, really feminine. And at the bottom, I got this sweetness to finalize everything with this vanilla aspect. And from the description, I know we should expect some sandalwood to make this really long lasting. So if you're looking for something fruity, sweet, woody, creamy, warm, it's a really good fragrance, something we can wear after work, for a party, something really elegant you can wear even in the office. It's a summery or wintry fragrance, and it can fit. It has almost a bubblegummy aspect, but not sugary, but a bit like bubble gum. So it's like a fantasy, something a bit extravagant, and I'm sure this fragrance will please a lot of people. V1 for Eau de Parfum, Liquid London. Thank you so much again to send me this over to try, and for me it's a win-win.